Take a ride in the 2025 CR-V Hybrid. The Honda CR-V Hybrid offers a powertrain with plenty of energy, a cabin with plenty of room, and a ride with plenty of comfort. This is all in addition to the fact it's a hybrid vehicle and the additional efficiency that it offers. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, backup camera, trip computer, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, cloth seat trim, low tire pressure warning, compass. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.